Brilliance Foundation International, a non-for-profit organization working for the uplift and health awareness for diverse communities, organized a useful and informative workshop on breast cancer. Addressing the workshop, breast cancer specialist said that every woman should take their health seriously and should have a mammogram every year, which is very important to save their lives. Large number of Pakistani-American doctors, Honorable Assistant Commissioner of New Jersey Health Department, Mr. Nashan Hamsby, and Program Manager for Cancer Education and Early Cancer, Lolita Johnson, attended the breast cancer and health awareness seminar deigned by a prominent Pakistani-American entrepreneur, a certified professional life coach, and counseling provider to the diverse communities. Kulsum B. Kazmi, the CEO of Brilliance Foundation International, addressing the gathering, Dr. Amir Zaman said, breast cancer is a disease whose main cause is the growth of breast tissues and the formation of a tumor. Breast cancer is the second most common cancer in women, and men are also suffering from it. Glands, changes in breast structure, changes in breast skin, discharge of watery substance from nipples, and redness of the skin are included. Kulsum Kazmi said that Brilliance Health and Wellness is a part of Brilliance Foundation International, a non-profit organization that has been working continuously since 2017. We started this mission for the betterment of the community, especially the upliftment of women, through group sessions and group educational programs. We are helping the community. In today's South Asian event, in addition to useful information regarding breast cancer, an information program is also being organized regarding the diagnosis of mental disorders. The services of Brilliance Foundation can be availed to remedy your family issues and problems. We can be contacted for shelter facilities and victims of violence in facilities, said Saida Shazia Zaidi. Women without insurance can get free breast cancer treatment by contacting the New Jersey Health Department. Women should take breast cancer very seriously and get a mammogram every year to save their lives. Fauzia Qureshi, Dr. Dowell Patel, Assembly Member Shama Haider, Mayor of Addison, Sam Joshi were present. Diagnostician Lolita made a special appearance and provided women with very useful information on cancer diagnosis and treatment, breast cancer information. While speaking, Dr. Amir Zaman said that breast cancer is a disease whose main reason is the growth of breast tissues and the formation of a tumor. Men are also becoming victims. Dr. Amir Zaman said that the major symptoms of breast cancer are the presence of glands in the breast, changes in the skin of the breast, leakage of watery substance from the nipples and skin. Redness is included. He said that the change in the structure of women's cells due to the abundance of environmental chemicals in industrialized countries is an important symptom of breast cancer, which requires taking special care of your body to prevent it. It is very important to get a mammogram, Dr. Zaman said. How much women can be protected from breast cancer with early detection. Addressing the ceremony, Kulsum Kazmi, the soul of Brilliance Foundation, said that Brilliance Health and Wellness is a part of Brilliance Foundation International. Brilliance Foundation is a non-profit organization that has been working continuously since 2017. She said that she started this mission for the betterment of the community, especially the upliftment of women, where the community is being helped through group sessions and group educational programs, says Kulsum Kazmi. She said that online and in-person workshops are also being held under the Brilliance Foundation. She said that 1 out of every 8 women will get breast cancer in their lifetime. Kulsum Kazmi said that among South Asian women, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, and Indian women are honored that they are organizing a seminar on breast cancer awareness for the first time for the improvement of women's health. Useful information on breast cancer in Asia event. Apart from this, an information program is also being organized regarding the diagnosis of mental diseases. Saida Shazia said that the services of the Brilliance Foundation can be obtained for solving the problems of their family. Other facilities include shelters and victims of violence. We can be contacted for the facilities of speaking at the ceremony. Shama Salar, Vice President of Brilliance Foundation, said that this is a family awareness workshop regarding breast cancer for South Asian women in New Jersey. that her workshop is a game changer for women, where you will hear from breast cancer survivors as well as doctors. They said women can beat breast cancer in this most important workshop. Alia Kayani, a well-known Pakistani-American female banker, said that breast cancer causes pain and suffering, not only to one person, but to the whole family. She said that women will have to deal with it early, because the second and third stage of breast cancer is very painful. Women must do checkups every year so that they can be diagnosed as soon as possible and get rid of this disease in the early stages. Without insurance, she can get free cancer treatment by contacting the New Jersey Health Department. They say women should take breast cancer very seriously and get a mammogram every year to save their lives, no matter what. At the end of the event also featured a very informative question and answer session by Tracy Parris, a specialist at the Heart Foundation of America. Thank you for watching.